Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how you can flip the board in a game in the Chess Play and Learn application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the More button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then if you scroll down at the Learn section, click on the Drills button. And now just choose a technique. And then choose a type from this. And then click on that. And then click on the Start button. And if you want to flip boards, then just click on the icon at the bottom of the page on the left, the one next to the computer, and then click on the flip board button, and as you can see, it flipped the board to the reverse side. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.